Data visualization. That means it is the representation of a data in a graphical format that makes the data easier to understand. Data visualization can be done using tools like Tableau, Google Charts, Data Wrapper, and many more. Excel is a spreadsheet that is used for data organization and data visualization as well. Excel provides various types of charts like column charts, bar charts, pie charts, line charts, area charts, scatter charts, service charts, and much more. What are the steps for visualizing data in Excel? So, open the Excel spreadsheet and enter the data or select the data you want to visualize. Click on the Insert tab and select the chart from the list of the charts available, or the shortcut key for creating a chart is by simply selecting a cell in the Excel data and press the F11 function. A chart with the data entered in the Excel sheet is obtained. You can now design and style your chart with different types of styles and colors by selecting the Design tab. The Design tab option is visible by clicking on the chart. The Excel data could be Arjun, Bhima, Sahadev, Karna, Dhruv, and their marks. And you can then obtain a chart with a bar graph. Then, probably you can format the chart area. The format chart area where you have to do a right click on the chart and select the option from format chart area. Formatting the chart, filling the chart with patterns in solid colors, border colors, styles for borders. Formatting makes the chart look more attractive and colorful. Methods of visualizing data with charts. In Excel, charts are usually or used basically to make a graphical representation of any set of data. A chart is a visual representation of the data in which data is represented, such as bars in a bar chart or lines in a line chart. Excel provides you with many chart types and you can choose on that suits your data, or you can use the Excel recommendation charts option to view charts customized to your data and select one of those. First, creating combination charts. Suppose you have the target and actual profits for fiscal year 2015, 16, or any year that you can select that you obtain for different regions. Then create a clustered column chart for these results. As you observe, it is difficult to visualize the comparison quickly between the targets and the actual in this chart. It does not give a true impact on your results. A better way of distinguishing two types of data to compare the value is by using combination charts. You can use combo charts for same purpose. Use vertical columns for the target values and line with the right markets of the actual values. Then click Design that tab under the Chart Tools tab on the ribbon. Now click Change Chart Type in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog will appear. Click Combo. Change the chart type for the series of actual to line with markets. The preview appears and you can see the custom combination that you have designed. Your customized combination chart will be displayed. This is how you create a combo chart with a secondary axis also. Your combo chart will be appear with a secondary axis with following certain steps. In the chart data, number of units is not visible at the data ranges and verifying significantly. So in such case, you create a combination of chart with secondary axis where you click on the Insert tab, click Combo in Chart Groups, click Create Custom Combo Chart from the drop-down list, and hence you can see there's the Insert Chart dialog box appears with combo highlighted. Line with market of series number of units, clustered column for series actual profits, and then a preview of your chart appears under custom combination. Charts elements and chart styles. So chart elements give more description to your charts. Thus, helping visualization your data more meaningfully. Chart elements, chart style, chart filter. For a detailed explanation, you need to see into the refer to the Excel charts tutorials. You can use trend line to graphically display 10 trends in data. You can extend a trend line in a chart beyond the actual data to predict future value. Then there's a band chart. You might have to present customer survey results of a product for different regions. Band chart is suitable for this purpose. A band chart is a line chart with an added shade area to display the upper and lower boundaries of groups of data, where you have the option to change the chart type to East and West series to line with the market, low, medium, and high series to stacked column. So to make the chart more presentable, add chart title, adjust vertical axis range, change the color of the bands to green, yellow, red, add labels to brand. The final result in the band chart will define the boundaries and surveys result presented across the bands. One, we can quickly and clearly make out from the chart that while the survey results from the region West are satisfactory, or for the region East have a decline in the last quarter and need attention. Next is thermometer chart. When you have to represent target value and actual value, you can easily create a thermometer chart in Excel that emphatically shows values. As you observe, the primary axis and secondary axis have different range in the format access options under bounds type 0 for minimum and 1 for maximum. So both primary and secondary axis will be set to 0% to 100%. The target column hides the actual column. You got your thermometer chart with the actual value and against target value being shown. You can make this thermometer chart more impressive with some formatting by gradient fill, liner for type, 1800 for angle, set the gradient stops at 0%, 50%, or 100%. For the gradient stops to 0%, choose the color black. For the gradient stop at 50%, choose the color white. Insert an oval shape at the bottom, format shape with some options, and your chart is ready. Next is Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a chart which a series of horizontal lines shows the amount of work done in the certain periods of time in relation to the amount of work planned for those periods. In Excel, you can create a Gantt chart by customizing a stacked bar chart type so that it depicts task, duration, and hierarchy. Excel Gantt chart typically uses days as the unit of time long on the horizontal axis. So task represents the task in the project. Start represents number of the days of start date of the project. Duration represents the duration of the task. Next is waterfall chart. This chart is one of the most popular chart visualization tools used in small and large businesses. These charts are ideal for showing how you have arrived at a net value, such as net income, by breaking down the cumulative effect of the positive and negative contribution. If you are using any version, you can still create a waterfall chart using stacked column chart. The columns are color coded so that you can quickly tell positive from negative number. The initial and final value columns start on the horizontal axis, while the intermediate values are floating columns. Because of this particular look, waterfall charts are called as bridge charts.